Hey guys, it's Danica, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these 4 Paramore records. Now, I've kind of been hoarding them in my room for a while, so I just wanted to open them on camera so I can finally listen to them. I got After Laughter as a Christmas present, and then I decided, you know what, I'm just going to complete my whole entire Paramore collection, and I bought all of these within this past month, so RIP to my wallet. I am such a big Paramore fan. I have the word Riot tattooed with an exclamation point on my ribcage, like right here. So I am so happy that I have these 4 records, because now my Paramore vinyl collection is complete, and I think I'm going to film a video maybe after this or in the next upcoming days, because I now have every Paramore album on vinyl in color, so it's going to be such a beautiful collection. So I just want to talk about where I got each of these and how much I got them for, because a lot of people are probably curious. So for Riot, I got this off Urban Outfitters. I think it's only $24. It's still available now, I'm pretty sure. And this is an orange pressing, really appropriate since like the album is orange and black and white. So the next album is Brand New Eyes, and this is actually a Newberry Comics special edition. So they only printed, or they only pressed 1,200 of these, and this is a green color vinyl, I'm pretty sure. And then for Paramore, this one I bought secondhand off Mercari for like $50, which is not a bad price because I've seen this go for like $80. I think this was a Hot Topic pressing, and I'm not sure how many they made of this. And I'm not sure what year they got this from, so this is, I think, one of the harder albums to find if you're looking for a color. But these 2 are available still. I'll leave them in the description box below. And then lastly, After Laughter, my cousin Leanna gifted this to me for Christmas, so it's been sitting in my room for a while, but I'm very grateful. Sorry, Leanna, if you're watching this. And I think this is a black and white marble. Yep. And I think she got this off Urban Outfitters, and you can still get this, or Amazon. I'm not sure. But I'll find this and leave it in the link down below. And if you're wondering where I got All We Know Is Falling, this was another exclusive Hot Topic pressing. I found this at a Hot Topic outlet in like Pennsylvania. I'm not sure if they still sell this because I think I got it in 2016. I'm not really sure, I forgot. It was a while ago, and I got this in store, so I'm not sure if they have it like online or anything. But this is like the first Paramore album that I ever bought on vinyl. Oh my god, I just burped a little. Okay, so if you guys would like to see me unbox these 4 albums, then just keep watching. Okay, this is like literally the 5th place I've tried to find good lighting and like a good setup, so hopefully this works. But I'm going to unbox these 2 first. I have Riot and Brand New Eyes. Like I said, I got this at Urban Outfitters. It's still available on their website, I think, and this is an orange pressing, and then this one is from Newberry Comics, and then you can buy this one online as well. I'll leave the link down below. This one is, I believe, a green variant, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna do Riot first. I don't think this is like a fold-out kind, so I'm just going to like poke a hole and take the whole entire thing off. So I have some tweezers right here, and I'm just gonna like make a hole. Ooh, there she, oops. Ooh, there she is. Okay, so this is the front, and then this is the back. Looks exactly like the CD. So this is the picture that comes inside. R.I.P. Jeremy and Josh. And then they have the lyrics here. So the sleeve is plain white. Pretty boring, but that's okay. Oh my god, it is so bright, so appropriate for the album. Literally just screams Riot. Anytime I see this color, I just think of Paramore. And then you can see the serial number, or like whatever batch number, I don't know what they call it, right there. So pretty. And also on this side too. So my favorites off this album, I've literally been listening to this album since it came out. This was like the first Paramore album that I listened to from like beginning to end without, and then it's what really got me into them. So this album is like almost 12 years old, I think. Wow, I feel really old. But my favorites off of this album are That's What You Get, I Have the Words, Riot written on my rib cage. Of course, Misery Business, Crush Crush Crush, and Born for This. Top 4 songs off this album. I love it so much. I literally am so in love with this. It's so pretty. It looks like an orange starburst. So delicious. Yeah. Okay, next we have Brand New Eyes. This one is also not like a booklet type of vinyl, so I'm just gonna like poke a hole and rip it all off. Okay, so this is what the vinyl looks like. It has that like matte effect, so it's not glossy like the Riot one, and it looks exactly like the CD artwork and stuff. So this is what comes inside. Okay, so this is the lyric sleeve. I don't own this album on CD, so I don't know if these are just like copies of what is in the CD. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay, I thought it was more of a green, but it looks more teal with the white marbling on it. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay. Okay, so for this album, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of stopped listening to Paramore when this album came out because I wasn't that big of a fan of it, but now looking back, it has some of my favorite Paramore songs on it. I love Careful, Playing God, Looking Up, and Where the Lines Overlap. Those are like my top 4 songs of this album. Again, we're just gonna look at it one more time because it's so pretty. I love the white in it. I think it gives it such a pretty detail, and it makes your vinyl unique because when they have marble variants, each one looks different because they're made, you know, differently. Okay, so that is Brand New Eyes. Next I'm going to move on to Self-Titled. So this is the Self-Titled album, and this is the only album that I got secondhand, or like I bought used technically. I got this off Mercari and it was discounted because there's this corner fold right here, but I really don't mind. So this is what the back looks like, and the front. It looks basically the same as the CD, but I think this folds out. Like I said, I got this off Mercari, so they don't sell this anymore. I think they go pretty pricey on eBay, so if you find one under like 60 bucks, I think that's a good deal. Woohoo! Okay, so there is the little fold that the seller was talking about. I don't really mind that much. Yeah. So this is what the lyric sleeve looks like. I don't get why they have this because you can't really read the lyrics. So this is actually 2 discs, and they are blue. So let's do this side first. Oh my god, that's so pretty. So this album is blue and it's kind of clear. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I love this color. It's so pretty. I like how all the Paramore albums are different colors, so that way you can kind of distinguish each album apart. And then we'll do side B. And then the other side. So pretty. So here's everything laid out. So my top 4 favorite songs off of this album would have to be Grow Up, Last Hope, Still Into You, and Hate to See Your Heartbreak. This album turned 6 years old yesterday, so I was really lucky to get this in the mail just in time for its birthday. So happy birthday, Self-Titled. Okay, and lastly, we're going to do After Laughter. Okay, so this is the last Paramore vinyl to unbox, and this is definitely like a fold out type of vinyl, so I'm going to take off the plastic. Okay, so this is the front and then the back. I love the album artwork for this era. And then you fold it up and there's the 3 of them. Okay. So this just says Paramore, After Laughter, and then the song credit. So there's no lyric sheet, which makes me sad because I love a good lyric sheet, but whatever. So the protective sleeve is white, no fancy artwork or anything, but that's okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is a white marble vinyl with some gray in it, but the gray kind of looks like brown because it's like mixed in. Okay, so that is everything in the After Laughter vinyl. My top 4 favorite songs have to be Told You So, Forgiveness, Idol Worship, and then Pool. Yes, those are my top 4 for this album. So here are the 4 records that I just unboxed, laid out all together. They look so pretty. I am in love with this collection. I'm so proud that I was able to get my hands on all of these colored records because I love a good colored record collection. So this is All We Know Is Falling. This is the first Paramore album that I bought on vinyl, and it kind of matches the rest of the color scheme with this kind of matches the rest of the albums because it has like the blue and the green and the white. It doesn't have any orange, but it still goes well. Maybe like the red can match, but it looks so pretty. Okay, so that was my Paramore vinyl unboxing slash haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite Paramore album is or your song, and if you have any Paramore albums on vinyl. I love hearing about other people's vinyl collections. I am going to film, I think, a colored vinyl collection soon because my collection has grown a lot over the past few months because I've just been like spending all my money on vinyls and nothing else. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please follow me on my Instagram. It's Danica Del Rey, and it's the same for my Twitter and my Snapchat as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Late night, your eyes fell to the floor.